Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Done with today's newspapers? Have you started reading them? Yes? No? Hmm. Anything useful? So what is so useful in today's paper? INJAC, National Judicial Accountable Bill or Act was important. Then inflation was important.
Problem
Okay.
of sea level rising.
Problem of sea level rising. Right.
Economic gain.
Improving the economic game. Okay. Sorry. National Air Quality Control. Okay.
Global air quality.
So according to various aspirants here, there are a lot of important articles. The usual exercise starts with identifying the paper, right? Let's say this one, Covishield fine, but not Indian certification. So this is about IR GS paper 2, India and UK relations. But the underlying theme is PR perception management. See, when Pfizer came, everybody was interested in taking Pfizer, AstraZeneca. So we were not so sure about what is the efficacy of the vaccine. Still we had the Pfizer means something good. Yes or no? So when it comes to biotech, Bharat vaccines, there is a lot of vaccine hesitancy. So here the problem is we are just manufacturing something that is created in a UK. The formula is theirs, but we are producing here. But still UK have issues with it. Yes. So if there is ever a future pandemic, okay, what can promoting vaccination? So we start rectify that problem in future. We won't have any issues with any country. And World Health Organization has recognized our vaccines. Sir, no. When World Health Organization itself is okay with our vaccination, why is UK still having some issues? And vaccine equality or vaccine respect is a very important thing, because it is creating more doubts in the mind of people, which is helping vaccine hesitancy. According to World Health Organizations, one of the top 10 global threats is vaccine hesitancy. What is vaccine hesitancy? Having apprehensions about taking a vaccination. Getting inoculated is a problem. When you don't get inoculated, what are you doing? You are becoming a potential host. So if you see Afghanistan and Pakistan, both of them are hosts to polio. While the rest of the world has successfully eradicated polio, only Afghanistan and Pakistan are host to polio virus. When polio virus exists in Pakistan, are we safe? No. Even if India has taken all the care in the world, but there is a chance that some Indian citizen might be affected with the polio vaccine. And further the vaccine hesitancy, the more the chances of mutation. Yes or no? None of us are safe till all of us are safe. So these things have to be taken into the consideration. The long-term solution is to make sure that Indian companies or Indian vaccination is getting enough PR and respect. And it is actually scientifically proved that let's say Pfizer effectiveness is coming down drastically, whereas Covishield and Covaxin is pretty decent. Comparatively, it is even ready for Delta variants. So all these things should be promoted in the right orientation. So these are the long-term suggestive reforms. So when you read a problem as a potential bureaucrat, it's your responsibility of the consequence and you identifier. Even Chapwala can do problem identification. Modi is like that. Sachin should have gone for square cut. Yes or no? Kohli should have gone for. But what are you doing? Problem. If you're part of the solution, then you have the problem. So your attitude should be what? Problem So that solve in the most efficient and fashion. 50,000 for each COVID death. 50,000 for each COVID. Is useful for right? In which case scenario of the article?
Schemes. Prelims, the basis of the act would be
What are the points of provision disaster management and question? Yes. Why should state or central government should give money to people who died of COVID? What is the need?
Because we are a welfare state and it is the responsibility of the state to ensure the right to life.
So many people are dying on road accidents. The other day we have discussed tuberculosis, pollution. People are dying because of air pollution. People are dying. So why money for all those people? So we are a welfare state. What is a welfare state? Welfare state means I will take care of your basic dignity. Yes or no? Why should we give money? Is it a right approach?
Because it was proven that the state was unable to assist them with all medical facilities.
It happened even for USA, right? UK, US, they are
India is concerned,
Hmm.
as a
Hmm. Hmm.
the state, the
They don't. We borrowed the liberty, equal fraternity from French Revolution, right? So the France will.
in the past also if something had happened, money.
So if I don't remember, people, Kerala government or someone giving money for Nipah death victims, right? Nipah is a virus, COVID is a virus. This affects India. as well.
Actually,
Hmm. 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 So the simplest answer has been COVID has announced notified disaster. Government has declared COVID as a notified disaster. Because it's a notified disaster, this law will apply. Everyone will see